Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by working on a clean, slightly damp scalp because product absorption is higher. This is why you towel dry instead of fully wetting. Once done, part hair into sections and clip them so you can see the roots. Make sure to shake the bottle to mix active ingredients, then use the dropper to dose about 0.5 to 1 ml per area. Doing these first steps precisely sets you up for even coverage and better results as you continue. Now you apply the serum directly where hair is thinning. Place drops along the part lines and over target zones so actives reach follicles. After dispensing, use your fingertips to spread the formula gently across the scalp. Press, don't rub, to avoid tangling or stressing shafts. Keep massaging for about 60 to 90 seconds because the mechanical stimulation increases blood flow and helps the serum penetrate. Make sure to cover each section methodically so no spot is missed. Consistent finish by allowing the serum to dry for 5 to 10 minutes so it locks into the scalp before you style. Avoid applying heat for a short while to preserve actives. Make sure to follow the recommended frequency, typically twice daily, and track progress with weekly photos so you can assess real changes. If you encounter redness or burning, stop immediately for 48 hours, perform a small patch test, and consult if symptoms persist. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.